Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So when you click on photo profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next CPO. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on calls here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So you come here to announce phone calls, clicking this sign of this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean announce phone calls disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.